Join me as I put these amazing ADHD hacks to the test and see if they can actually boost my motivation. When we think of ADHD, we often think of attention deficit, hyperactivity, or impulsivity, but what's often overlooked is the significant impact it can have on our motivation levels. People with ADHD often struggle with procrastination, lack of focus, and getting started on tasks, which can be incredibly frustrating and demotivating. Individuals with ADHD often face unique challenges when it comes to staying motivated and focused. One major obstacle is the constant struggle to begin tasks. It's like being stuck in a never-ending cycle of procrastination, with deadlines looming and anxiety building. Another challenge is maintaining focus once you've started a task. It's easy to get distracted by the smallest things, like a notification on your phone or a sudden urge to organize your desk. This constant loss of focus can be extremely demotivating and make it seem like you're not making any progress. Furthermore, individuals with ADHD often have to deal with the emotional toll of feeling like they're not good enough or that they're failing. This negative self-talk can be a major motivation killer. And finally, there's the physical toll of burnout, which can leave you feeling drained and exhausted, making it impossible to muster up any motivation. Individuals with ADHD often have to deal with the emotional toll of feeling like they're not good enough or that they're failing. This negative self-talk can be a major motivation killer. And finally, there's the physical toll of burnout, which can leave you feeling drained and exhausted, making it impossible to muster up any motivation. So what can you do to overcome these challenges and boost your motivation? One incredibly effective hack is to use timers to your advantage. Set a timer for a short, manageable amount of time, say 10 or 20 minutes, and challenge yourself to focus solely on your task during that time. Take a break when the timer goes off and repeat the process. This technique is called the Pomodoro technique, and it's been a game changer for many individuals with ADHD. Another hack is to break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This helps to reduce feelings of overwhelm and makes it easier to get started. Establishing routines is also essential for individuals with ADHD. Having a set daily routine can help reduce stress and increase feelings of control and stability. For many individuals with ADHD, establishing routines can be a significant challenge, but once you've got a routine in place, you can start to build in specific times for tasks, breaks, and even self-care activities. This helps to increase feelings of control and stability, which can be a huge motivator. Another hack is to use visual aids like charts, diagrams, and mind maps to help you organize your thoughts and stay focused. And finally, incorporating movement and exercise into your daily routine can be a great way to boost motivation and energy levels. One of the most effective hacks I've come across is the concept of implementation intentions. This involves identifying a specific task you want to complete and then specifying when and where you'll do it. For example, I'll work on my project for 30 minutes at 7 a.m. tomorrow. This strategy helps to eliminate procrastination and increase motivation by making the task feel more concrete and achievable. So what I want to leave you with is the idea that with the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome the motivational hurdles associated with ADHD. It's not about trying to overcome your ADHD, but about working with it and using it to your advantage. Remember, with the right approach, you can boost your motivation and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. And if you have a favorite ADHD hack that's helped you boost your motivation, leave it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more ADHD strategies and tips, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing more hacks and techniques to help you thrive with ADHD.